Hi all. Since December 2019, we had been seeing a lot of complex transits happening. These transits really changed the world around us. Not only changed the world, I will say not even a single individual had been spared out of it. Everybody's life was touched one way or the other. More transits happened in 2020. Saturn came to its own house of Capricorn. Jupiter became retrograde. Jupiter became debilitated, got conjunct with Saturn. Then we saw in 2021 the similar phenomena repeating. Six planets came to Capricorn, and the similar transits are continuing. And surely these transits will also impact almost everybody again. Yeah, surely this time the good news is that these transits will be impacting some people in some good ways also. Now on 22nd, Mars is moving to Taurus. From its own house is moving to Taurus now, and it'll be getting conjunct with Rahu. In astrology, we call it Angarak Yoga also. So in this Angarak Yoga, expect lot of heat. So these heat in the moment can be termed as real fires, or it can be termed as passionate fires also, or it can be termed as some relationship fires also. So that relationships can be in profession, personal, it can be beyond that also. It can be in country, the territory, the land, the buildings, and those territories also. And as we know, we are already impacted in the earth zone. So now what is going to happen now? Earth and fire which is creating Angarak Yog with Mars and Rahu, and earth zone, because in Capricorn we have Saturn and Jupiter conjunct, which are aligning the impact of earth zone. We are seeing so many earthquakes just because of that. Yesterday also I heard one was in Myanmar, and many more are going to follow. But this time, impact of this fire zone will be coming along with it. The people who are related to share market, trading, any speculations, are in some kind of love affairs or some kind of temporary relationships which can be impacted, some business partnerships, many people will be affected. Obviously I can't go in detail by sign because there are millions of permutation combinations. But what I can say, you can just try contacting me and I will try to answer as many people as possible. I don't guarantee, because every time I get like at least, I will say like something like 200,000 messages, out of which like I will say like around 30-40,000 people are like continuously trying to write 3344 messages. That's how they become to around 200,000. But I will say just in one message, give me time of birth, place of birth, and date of birth, along with one particular question, and I'll be able to give you certain brief replies on it. I hope my endeavor in this and with my knowledge in astrology will be able to help you out in some way or the other.